Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I want to go back to basics a little bit with Tunisian crochet. So I know this is a little late, but I know some people have trouble with like the basic mechanics of different crafts when they jump right into them. So today I kind of wanted to go into casting on for Tunisian crochet. It's a really simple process, so if this is, if you're a beginner, welcome, and I hope you get something out of this video. So when getting started, what you want to do is make a slip knot. You don't have to have too much tail. Again, this is not knitting, Tunisian crochet. So you're going to make that slip knot on your hook and adjust it to the size that you need it, and you are going to chain. So whatever your pattern calls for, you're just going to chain in that increment. 3, 4, 5, 6. Today, 8, 9. I'm going to chain 10. How about that? Alright, now I have 10 chains that I just made. And what I want to do, I want to work into that second chain from my hook. So not the one that's on the hook, but the very next one. Just gonna insert the head of my hook into that stitch, and I'm gonna yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I have 2 stitches on my hook, so that loop that was on there from that 10th stitch, that counts as your stitch for your first row of Tunisian crochet. So you just want to continue to do what we just did. Insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, again and again until you have all your chains on your hook. And however many chains you made, that's how many loops you should have on your hook. So in the end, you can count them out and make sure you did it right. When you're starting out, slow and steady wins the race, so no rush. I'm going into my last one. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Alright, and so you have cast on your first row of stitches, and when you are ready to move on to your next row, of course you would do your turning pass. So that's chaining 1 and then yarning over, pulling through all of your loops into the end of the row. Now that part I do go into more depth on in my Tunisian crochet video. The first one I did, it's back on my channel. I will be linking it at the end of this video for you all to find. So I hope today's video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future weekly content. I post Tunisian crochet videos on every Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. CST. I will make mention at the posting of this video, my hiatus is coming up June 1st, so I don't upload really anything over my hiatus, but when I come back I usually have a lot of content ready for you guys. Alright, and until next time, happy making.